Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious choriqueso, queso fundido con chorizo. This is an easy recipe. It's perfect for a get-together as a dip. So easy to make. If you want to see how I make it, keep watching. We're going to start off by roasting our chiles. I'm using 2 chile poblanos. Make sure to roast on all sides. They are ready and I'm going to take them out. I'm going to put them in a plastic bag so they can sweat and it's easier to peel. I like using a spoon to peel the skin off because it's easier and that way you don't burn your fingers. Now we cut and we remove the seeds. Next I'm gonna slice it and then cut into small squares. Now I'm gonna grate the cheese and I'm using a mixture of Munster and Oaxaca cheese. We mix it well, and here I have a total of 18 ounces of cheese. I set my pan to medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add 1 pound of chorizo, and I'm gonna start breaking it down. I'm using my favorite chorizo, which is from the meat department at Stater Brothers. If you guys haven't tried this chorizo, I suggest you do. You won't regret it. After about 5 to 7 minutes, we now add 1 jalapeño and half of a small white onion. We mix and continue cooking for another 2 minutes. Next, we add the chile poblanos and we continue cooking for about another minute. I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna scoop out some of the chorizo. Let's add the cheese. I'm adding all of it, but you can add as much as you like. And we add back in the rest of the chorizo. Next, we're gonna put it in the oven and broil for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our choriqueso is now ready. Looks so delicious. Now we serve it con una tortilla de harina. This is perfect as a dip and tacos. Cheers. So hot. So delicious. It's perfect. Está bien caliente, but it's so good. Look at this, it's so good. And there you have it, delicious choriqueso. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!